welcome back to Cousin Says So. Today I just got my first fidget set and I want to unbox it with y'all. So first are these pop tubes. They really make a loud noise. And if you put them back together, they make, and then you can do it again. Next are marble mash. This one's green and there's a marble in it and you mash them around. Next one are these finger massagers. They massage your fingers. Next is this ball. It's just air. Next is this bike chain. You bite on it, I think. I don't really know. Next is this. And if your child ever does this and they want to get a new one, don't worry, don't waste your money. You can just easily snap back on. Next is this pea popper. It's a really good pea popper. And it has a little face. Moving on is this infinity cube. This was one of my dreams and I finally got it. Moving on are these mochis. I love when they're new and they feel so good, but when they get hair on it, it's not the best. Next is this game controller. You can literally pretend you're playing games. So this one goes click, click, stir around, click, and up and down. Next are these tiny 3 monkey noodles. This got pink, blue, green. They are so small. Next is this Pop-It. Since I just got it, it's not the best quality, and it's really good. So I want to be thankful that I got it. And the bad side's not the best side, but the good side's not the best side. So they're basically like even. Next is this. Last, certainly not least, is this digit. So right now it has tens, if you can't see. Then on the other side that has texture and it's a good side, it has Spanish, so like uno, dos, tres, cuatro, cinco, seis, siete, ocho, nueve, diez. And make sure you subscribe, like this video, give this video a big thumbs up. Why? 'Cause Ken says so. And hearts for everyone. Love you guys. Bye.